Hi, Kirsty, is it?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. I'm David, and I represent Dacia Heavy Industries. Are you interested in the EN 500 model?
Yeah, I work for a northern mining company. This is exactly the type of thing we're looking into.
Oh, well, fantastic. I think the EN 500 really is the latest in dump truck technology. It can carry a load of 500 cubic meters, and it has the latest security and safety devices built into it. For example, we've got front and rear LiDAR systems, which can scan and anticipate collisions, and we also have independent traction sensing. This helps to avoid slippage, sliding, or any other problems that can occur in a mine. It also has front and rear independent power plants. They're driven by diesel engines, but they also have hybrid technology built into the design. And this means that we can provide independent traction to each wheel. And not only that, it's also very fuel efficient. So this is actually the most fuel efficient truck on the market.
It's very impressive. Is there any way we could see it bigger?
Oh, absolutely. Because we're in VR, I can show you the exact size. Let me see. Here we go. I'll just bring up my menu. And there we go. This is the exact model. Yeah. Do you want to jump over there and we'll have a look at it?
Yeah.
So, our model's been on the market for a year, and so far we've had great feedback from customers. They've been able to demonstrate increased fuel efficiency, which means they are lower costs in terms of running costs, and also they've also reported greater safety levels as well. So there's been a reduction in accidents and time off due to maintenance. Not only that, it also has a GPS system built into it, so you can program common routes that your vehicles may be taking in your mine. And this is especially useful for opencast models.
Hi, welcome to the conference. Today we're going to be talking about motion capture. In VR education, we use the Vive Pro as our main capture system, which is very versatile because we can use it inside Engage as well as with other softwares to make more detailed.